So, thank you, Sir. Hi, Sir Billy. Jolly morning, sir. So, thank you, Sir Bangles, to organize this mass. And to the team, to my RMS team, headed by our co-leaders, walang Jessa, sa mga OSS, mga Julie Jobine, so walang MC Alex, sa mga CIC, and of course, sa mga Tritico, thank you so much for your cooperation. Nalipay lang po, first time, this is the first time, because last year wala hindi naka-celebrate, so this is the first time ito sa second time na tayo held of mass and bless the store. So, pinanak ko padugayon. So, see you later and God bless us all. Thank you.